So we're inside the T34 turret right now. My position right now would be the loader's position. So this is the person that will feed ammunition into the main gun. Also, he operates the machine gun, which would be on this side of the gun. It's basically a 7.62 round field machine gun. To my left, you can see a rack of ammunition. These are training rounds. It's the ready-to-go type of ammunition the loader would use. And it's just simply you hit the rack, you set it on this pad, which helps feeding the gun. And once the loader is done, there is a gun enable button. And then I would simply cross my hands like this and stay away from the gun. In that moment, my job is done, and we're going to move over to the commanders and the gunners to explain what happens there. Now we're in the commanders and gunners position on the T34. Right in front of me are the controls for elevating and traversing the gun. This would be the gun traverse. It is actually an electric drive. I can simply move my handle, pull it out, and this will go over to electric drive, which enables a fast relocation of the gun. Then right in front of me is the elevation of the gun. Basically, it sets the angle. Right in kind of the same level with my eye level is the optic system on these guns. Optic system on these guns were always finicky. At the beginning, in reality, they were kind of poor. They did evolve during the war, and they got to be better. Other than that, this room is kind of shared by two people, so it is very cramped. Right beside me, actually, they're kind of facing my back, would be the radio. You can see the mounts in the back there. Right now, there is no radio, so you can imagine if there is a radio there, how much room I actually have. So I'm very close to the gun. So that's why I'm saying these two guys here had quite a hard life together, so you had to be really good buddies with the guy in front of you or the guy behind you. Also, another interesting fact is there is no turret floor. We actually missed the original floor. We only have one ammunition box from the original floor. But just to add to what I just said, that even complicates things more, because now everybody has to make this really nice dance every time the gun is repositioning itself. And the crews just learn to live with it. It has some advantages, some drawbacks. The advantage is it's very simple. There's nothing to be in the way, but you always have to be alert of what's going inside the tank. And it's not an easy thing on this tank, because not only is it extremely loud, space is very tight, and it is full of engine smoke, smoke from the gun. So yes, not a really nice environment to work in.